guys? We are back. It has been a fat minute. Yeah, lots changed. We've been boarding a lot, and yeah, we just haven't recorded because the GoPro ran out of storage, and we're just too broke to buy more memory. Here's Dylan. That's good. So he got a board. Got my gloves on. I got new wheels, and found a new spot. Just getting in the rain. So basically today we're just gonna drift around in this parking lot. Has a nice little turn right there. Got a good amount of tracks here. And once we get the more homies out here. Yeah, we got a whole crew now.
Yeah, we do.
But it's just us two for today. My turn.
Eric's gonna go drift now. Let's see if he can do better than me, probably, because I crashed, but we'll see. All right, Erik. Round 3.
Dylan round, I don't even know. Alright, Dylan round, I'm not even sure. Yo! Oh!
Hold on. Ah! 3, 2, 1, go!
Four, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Finish line is that.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
That was a bit short, but we're heading back. Yeah, we're gonna start recording a lot more, and hopefully posting as well. So yeah, we'll keep up posting.
See you guys later.